Welcoming the Supreme Court decision to set up a national task force for allocation of oxygen to states, the centre on Saturday called it an important step which will help streamline distribution. To strengthen their relationship, India and the European Union on Saturday agreed to advance the implementation of the actions set out in the EU-India Roadmap 2025 and foster new synergies to jointly contribute to a safer, greener, cleaner, more digital, resilient and stable world. Newly elected BJP MLAs in Assam will meet on Monday to finalize the sections of the new Chief Minister of the state amid likelihood of Hemant Biswa Sarma peeping, including Sarbanda Sonowal, to the post. Dipen Singh Hooda said that government should arrange for investigation, treatment, medicine of corona patients in rural area, identification of villages with high infection and sending a team of doctors to conduct tests. Government to arrange temporary hospitals in villages to protect villagers from the clutches of corona. Faulting the centre's oxygen allocation methodology during the recent surge of COVID cases, the Supreme Court on Saturday drew health experts from all over India to set up a jumbo national task force to devise a scientific formula for rational and equitable local allocation of oxygen to states, audit utilization and suggest means to augment production. Amid rising concern about hospitals turning away COVID-19 patient needing hospitalization, the centre on Saturday revised the national policy for admission of such patients and said requirement of a positive COVID-19 test report is not mandatory for admission to a health facility. The US Navy's Fifth Fleet said on Saturday that the guided missile cruiser USS Monetary seized an illicit shipment of weapons from a stateless tow in international water of the North Arabian Sea on May 6 to 7. In wake of a spike in COVID-19 cases, the District Disaster Management Authority, Srinagar, has established an oxygenated 100-bed COVID care facility at Hajj House, Bevina, an official said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday invited EU to support proposed by India and South Africa to waive patent on COVID-19 vaccine. I believe Mother's Day is all about celebrating that special someone in our life who has made us the persons who were today. It's important to thank mothers every single day for everything they have done for us throughout their lives seamlessly.